If you're having a hard time getting along with your kids, listen to this. The other day, my daughter was bothering her sisters and it was like relentless. I felt my frustration with her just steadily rising, but I was able to catch myself before I snapped. I've been trying to remember to lead with understanding. Basically, I'm accepting my kids for all of their differences and the things that they do. This mental shift has been a way of me like tapping into my kindness and removing those knee-jerk reactions that I've had when they do things that I don't agree with. So instead of coming in hot, I stepped in and said something like, hey, it looks like you've got a lot of energy right now, but your sisters don't seem to be matching it. Maybe you can go on the swing and work some of that out. And she did it. Leading with understanding doesn't make us weak. It empowers us to show up as the kind and empathetic parents that our kids really need. If you're ready to take your growth seriously, join my husband and I in the Happy Human Collective. Go to happyhumanlife.org to learn more.